What if I told you that where you park your savings could be making you hundreds, even thousands, of dollars more each year without you lifting a finger? Sounds good, right? Well, in the world of high-yield online savings accounts, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle between two of the titans in this space, Ally Bank and Capital One 360. Both promise high yields, low fees, and convenient digital banking, but which one truly delivers the most bang for your buck? By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which online savings account is the perfect fit for your financial goals in 2025. For years, traditional brick-and-mortar banks have offered abysmal interest rates on savings accounts. We're talking fractions of a percent, barely enough to keep up with inflation, let alone actually grow your money. But the rise of online-only banks has revolutionized this landscape. With lower overheads, these digital powerhouses can pass those savings onto you in the form of significantly higher annual percentage yields, or APYs. This means your money isn't just sitting there, it's actively working for you, compounding and growing over time. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach saving, moving from merely safeguarding our money to actively investing it in a low-risk, highly liquid environment. Now, let's talk about why Ally and Capital One 360 are at the forefront of this revolution. They've consistently offered some of the most competitive rates in the market, coupled with robust digital platforms that make managing your money easier than ever. But as with any financial decision, the devil's in the details. What might be a perfect fit for one person could be a minor inconvenience for another. So, we're going to break down every aspect, from interest rates and fees to mobile app functionality and customer service, to help you make an informed choice. Interest rates, the core of your growth. Let's cut right to the chase. Interest rates are arguably the most crucial factor when choosing a high-yield savings account. As of mid-2025, both Ally Bank and Capital One 360 are offering highly competitive APYs on their savings accounts. Historically, their rates tend to be either identical or very close, making this particular aspect a bit of a tie. For example, Ally Bank's online savings account currently offers a strong APY on all balance tiers. Similarly, Capital One's 360 Performance Savings account boasts an identical competitive variable APY. This consistency in high rates is a major draw for both banks. It means you don't have to worry about maintaining a specific minimum balance to earn the advertised rate. Your money starts earning significant interest from the very first dollar. However, it's important to remember that these are variable rates, meaning they can change based on market conditions, typically influenced by the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions. While both banks have a track record of offering competitive rates, always double-check their current APYs before opening an account, as these can fluctuate. What you're really looking for here is a bank that consistently stays competitive, and both Ally and Capital One 360 have proven their commitment to that over time. Fees, the hidden money drain. Nobody likes fees, especially when they eat into your hard-earned savings. This is another area where both Ally and Capital One 360 shine, as they are largely fee-free for their core savings accounts. Neither bank charges monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance fees on their high-yield savings accounts. This is a huge win for consumers, as it means you don't have to worry about your balance dropping below a certain threshold and incurring a penalty. You can start saving with any amount and continue to enjoy a fee-free experience. Where they differ slightly is in their ATM networks and associated fees. Ally Bank offers access to over 75,000 fee-free ATMs through the Allpoint and MoneyPass networks. Plus, they sweeten the deal by reimbursing up to $10 in out-of-network ATM fees per statement cycle. This is a fantastic perk for those who occasionally need cash and find themselves away from their primary ATM network. Capital One 360, while also part of extensive ATM networks with over 70,000 fee-free ATMs, doesn't offer the same out-of-network reimbursement. While they won't charge you a fee for using an out-of-network ATM, the ATM operator might, and Capital One won't cover that cost. So, if you're someone who frequently uses ATMs that aren't part of the Allpoint or MoneyPass networks, Ally's reimbursement policy could save you a few bucks. Both banks have also largely moved away from traditional overdraft fees. Ally has a coverdraft program that may cover up to $250 in overdrafts for eligible customers, and they offer free overdraft protection transfers from linked Ally accounts. Capital One 360 also offers free overdraft protection transfers from linked 360 savings or money market accounts and may decline transactions that would cause an overdraft, generally without a fee. This commitment to reducing or eliminating overdraft fees is a significant consumer-friendly move by both institutions. Account features, beyond the basics. Beyond rates and fees, the features offered by a savings account can greatly enhance your saving experience. Ally Bank's standout features, buckets and boosters. Ally Bank is well known for its innovative Savings Buckets feature. This allows you to visually organize your savings into different categories, like down payment, vacation, or emergency fund, all within a single savings account. It's incredibly helpful for goal-oriented savers, as it makes your financial objectives tangible and keeps you motivated. No more needing multiple accounts for different goals, just create a bucket. They also offer boosters like roundups, which automatically rounds up your debit card purchases to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference to your savings, and surprise savings, which analyzes your checking account for safe-to-save funds and automatically transfers them to your savings. These automated tools can subtly yet effectively increase your savings over time without much effort on your part. Ally also offers a broader range of financial services under one roof, including investing services through Ally Invest, personal loans, mortgages, and auto loans. If you're looking for a bank that can cater to most, if not all, of your financial needs, Ally might offer a more comprehensive solution. Capital One 360's strengths, branch access, and family-friendly options. While primarily an online bank, Capital One 360 offers a unique hybrid model with a few hundred physical branches and Capital One cafes across the country. These locations allow for in-person support, cash deposits, which Ally doesn't directly facilitate due to being purely online, and a more traditional banking experience for those who prefer it. This can be a significant advantage if you occasionally need to deposit cash or speak with someone face-to-face. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.